welcome back. My name is Courtney and I'm from the Courtney 2006 channel. I have a cold. Today actually, I hit 15 subscribers. I made a vending machine. And I know it looks terrible. I know it looks super terrible. Yeah. Let's get into this video. This machine actually has a coin rejecting mechanism. Reject it like that. Into the nickel. Oops. When you insert a quarter, most of the time it accepts it onto it. And as you can see, no quarter. Once you insert your quarter, you turn this handle right here. Okay, you can open up your prize. Shoot. And I won this. I won this ring. This ring. And this ladybug. So we're going to actually try this again. Okay, so once again, it has accepted it. You just turn the handle, and my prize fell. I got which actually that was just sitting right there. That was weird. And my bug and a ring. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.